I'll be in the middle. No, you're gonna jump on up there. And so what we're gonna do is everybody's jumping up on the blue tube, okay? And we need somebody at the very front. And you can use my shoulder as balance, okay? Yeah. Use my shoulder. Come on, jump on up here. Okay. And let's get one of you. Yep, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Okay. And now hold on.
Try to film me a second ago.
And now let's extend our arms and start leaning back. Extend our arms and leaning back. Now extend those arms. Extend those arms. Yep.
Wait a minute. I'm having that.
There you go. Extend those arms. Come on, harder, harder. Extend those arms. You're not even extending those arms. Really
yeah, she's way out there.
I only did it because they were egging me on.